Right, people, we have got this Audi TT in with us this morning. Complaint is the airbag light is on. So let's have a look to see what we've got. Okay, so saying their service is due. Airbag light, see that? It went off and then went straight back on again. So let's have a look to see what happens when we start it. Oh, it's in gear. Okay, so you can see there we've got a brake pad which we'll deal with another time, but the airbag light is on. So let's have a look to see what VCDS is telling us. Okay, right, Dan, load up the old VCDS. Trying to do two things at once is difficult, isn't it?
Right, so I plugged it in already, but let's go into airbags.
Okay. So let's see why it's telling us that the airbag light is on. Right, there we go. So we have got an airbag deactivation warning lamp, passenger side, short or ground or open circuit. So let's go around this car a second, because what this has picked up is that the illumination sign for the airbag is not lit up. So basically what happens is when you turn the airbag on or off, the vehicle will give you the activation light to show that the passenger airbag is off. Now with the ignition on, let's turn that off, Dan. Let's turn that off and see if that illuminates. Okay. I'm doing this one-handed. Right, airbag light is off. Now that should be illuminated down here. No. As you can see, guys, that is not illuminated.
Airbag light's still on.
Airbag light on. Right, so what we'll do, guys, let's get this out and see what's going on with this light quickly. Right, so all we're going to do, guys, we've got 4 slots to remove this head unit, and this should come with this section. Let's see. So. Let's see what happens. Could be another video on its own, isn't it? Hey, how to remove the Audi TT head unit.
Not for thieves. Not for
thieves. No thieves are allowed to watch this channel. Oh, this is one of them funny ones where you gotta put it to the side, and yeah. Well, let's see if we struggle with it. I think you probably have a better chance with that side, wouldn't it?
That's what I came, didn't it?
Well, let's see. There we go. That's it. Just a case of unlocking it all. Right, let's see what we got. As you can see, the passenger symbol section is part of there. Oh, guess what? Look.
What, you see it?
It's not attached. There's nothing in it. Oh, hang on. What have we got, guys? Oh my.
Just unplugged.
It's just, well, let's see if it's just unplugged. Let's get that all plugged back in, put back in, and then let's see if it works. Oh my God, this would be an easy one. I was expecting to have to remove the whole dash, you know, really get a good spin on this video, but okay, let's get that connected back in. If I hold that down, let me
hold it up there.
Yeah, I've got to try and film and put it in at the same time.
Does the plugs look the same? It's not something shaped.
Yeah, it does look the same. It's broke, then.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's actually, oh, hang on. Look, it's actually broke, but yeah, it is broke, but shall we see if we can get it in? Is it that way? Oh yeah, I think it's that way.
Yeah.
Right, bring it into me. That's it. Right, we're in. We are in.
Oh, I'll just put it back in place.
Yeah, let's not. Right, let's try this. So you can see off now. That should be illuminated if that's not broken. Hey, come on!
Nice.
Come on, Dan.
Airbag light is off.
Yes. So all we've got to do now is get that wear sensor sorted. Guys, another video done by Double D, Dan's Automotive. Let's go.